Welcome to the practical number 4 video tutorial session. In this video we are going to discuss about the practical number 4. In the practical number 4 also related to files and folder. First we know we want to create this particular folder structure inside our drive. So here we have already folder. Inside that I want to create new folder with your name. I am creating the folder like learn with Thiru. Then inside the learn with Thiru, what I want to create, I want to create two new folders. One, my programs. Then next one, my docs. Both are created. Then thereafter, inside the my program, I want to create the folder. The folder name is Word. That's also created. The given folder structure is created. Second question, they are asking you to find the calcexe in the C drive and copy that into the Word folder. So just you want to go to C drive, then you want to search here calc.exe. Just enter. It's searching there. It will take some time to find the result. Okay, now we got the results. Calc.exe. Calc mean it's related to calculator. Once you click this, the calculator, your Windows calculator will open. So just right click, select this and right click, copy this. Then where you want to paste it. So we have already network drive. Inside our drive, we want to open Word folder. Inside that, I want to paste it. Okay, now it's in the calc is copied. Then what I want to do it, third one, rename it. Right click, rename my calc. Then enter. It's renamed. Okay, we'll move to the fourth question. Create the desktop shortcut for the mycalc.exe and load the program by double clicking on the shortcut. So here you want to create the desktop shortcut. Right click, send to desktop, create shortcut. Now our desktop shortcut will created. We'll check. Now you can see there it's available. Once you double click that calc, the calculator will open. We'll back to the questions. Okay, fifth question. Create the text file as a pcinfo.txt on my docs. My program, my docs. What I want to create? I want to create the new text file. The text file name is pcinfo. Pcinfo. That's mean computer information. Okay, regarding the working PC mean the my particular computer details I want to share it here. So first I will type the given things. Okay, then I will tell you how to find these detail. Processor type, then RAM capacity, number of partition. From this you will get some hardware related knowledge, basic about the PC and video RAM capacity, maximum resolution, support, file system on the C drive of the. Okay, so first processor type. Processor type where you can find, just open this PC, then right click, go to the properties. Some of the details you can get it from here. So the processor type, Intel R Core TM i5 7200U CPU. So this is the processor, Intel i5. Okay, processor type, Intel R Core TM i5 7200U. Speed, if you want, you can mention the speed of the processor, otherwise no need. Then random access memory capacity. So install memory RAM. Now the RAM capacity is 8 GB, 00 GB. Number of partition, how you can see here, you can see the hard disk part is like this, 3 partition. The number of partition is 3. Video RAM capacity. Okay, we'll see how these details we can take it. Okay, from the for these details, Windows key plus R. You want to type, you want to press Windows key with the R. Otherwise, from the Windows search, you can find run. Just open this run. Then inside the run, what you want to type? You want to type is DXDIAG. The particular words you want to type DXDIAG. Then click OK. Once you clicked, it will take some time to load the information. Now you can see here from here also you can get all the details about your PCs. So here you can see the processor type, then memory, everything displaying here. We'll go to the display. So display here, video RAM capacity, VRAM. So display memory VRAM capacity is 128 MB. 128 MB. Maximum resolution support. So the maximum resolution support, here you can find the maximum resolution support. You want to find it, I will tell you. Just close this. Okay, so VRAM capacity we have already taken. So just close this, then minimize this, go to your desktop, then right click, display settings. Now you can see the display setting, display resolution is there. Here, this is the maximum resolution, 1366 into 768. 1366 into 768. This is the maximum resolution supported in this PC. Then file system of the C drive. Again, you want to go to this PC, then right click, properties. Now you can see file system, NTFS system. NTFS system. Then file, save, closed. Okay, so like this way you can complete the practical number 4. That's all in this video. Fine.